Hello and welcome to Clerkenwell Design Week. I'm Andrew Shankster, Product Training Manager at Geberit UK. This year we're really excited to introduce our unique Cube experience, where visitors will be able to step into a parallel world of unique design and functionality, showcasing our Geberit AquaClean Alba. Throughout the week we displayed our latest innovations in mindful conversations with leading industry experts and inspired attendees with our cutting-edge bathroom solutions. I'm with Grace Hargreaves, Geberit UK Marketing Campaign Manager, and today Grace is going to tell us what's been happening inside Clerkenwell Design Week. Grace, could you tell us what's been happening inside our Parallel World?
So we're showcasing our new Parallel Worlds campaign, which is all about talking about the benefits of cleaning with water in the bathroom. We've recently just launched a new AquaClean, the Alba, which is our entry-level AquaClean, and just kind of changing people's mindsets on cleaning with water in the bathroom.
And how have you found the new Alba? How well has it been received?
Yeah, really well so far. Everyone really likes the design. It's very simple, not too many features of what people like, and that entry-level price is really desirable to a lot of people. So yeah, it's gone down really well.